This is Roy Nakor from J. Joseph Salon and Spa, and this is about haircuts that makes thick and wavy hair thinner. So there's a lot of options that you can take to make your hair a lot thinner. I will always talk to your professional stylist because they will know what's going to look best on you and what techniques to take that will be very good and in collaboration with your actual texture. In this case, we decided to kind of create a disconnection. Although I'm saying disconnection, it doesn't mean that your haircut itself is going to be disconnected. So we took kind of triangles, and inside the triangle on the sides and the back, we took another little triangle. And this is the one in here that we are actually going to create a disconnection in and thin it out really good. This is the interior of the hair, so it's going to remove that bulk from the inside of the hair instead of cutting the hair itself. This is Roy Nakor, and this is about haircuts to make thick and wavy hair thinner.